is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. And yesterday, the markets pushed up to another new high, closing right on the high of the day and closing above the prior day's high, above all recent highs. So another strong day in the markets. It's being followed up in the Globex session by more new highs. So the market continues to push higher after yesterday's strong move higher. So what I want to do this morning is take a look at what has happened historically with that type of pattern. So I'm going to set this up in all four instruments. We will look at a setup of entering at the open, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and exiting at the close, 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. And the opening filter I'm going to use is opening above the prior day high. At the time of this recording, that looks pretty likely. And then I'm going to go into price patterns, and I'm going to describe yesterday's action with one simple pattern that yesterday made the highest high of the past 50 sessions. So I can do that here in the new highs section. And then I can go into indicators, add above a 200, and run the results. And here we go. So these are the results of gapping up above the prior day high when the prior day high made the highest high of the past 50 days and above the 200-day moving average. Historically, we've got a good sample size on these, 155 in the ES, 180 in the NASDAQ, 140 in the YM, and 89 in the Russell. And looking at the win rates, this following session after that 50-day high where you're gapping up even higher has not been all that bullish. ES has been just a touch risky for the longs there at 45% winning rate for ending up with a green candlestick. NASDAQ just 52%, so pretty neutral there. YM 53%, fairly neutral. And Russell just a little under 50 at 46%. So none of these have strong win rates. ES is the weakest at 45. And I'm also noticing the average loss on these are coming in a little bit bigger than the average win. So ES a little bit weak on the win rate, and the average loss a little bit bigger than the average win. Looking at the NASDAQ, looks like the average loss there a little bit bigger than the average win. That is not the case in the YM. YM's average win is a little bit bigger, and the Russell is pretty even. So ES and NASDAQ both have larger average losses to average wins. But bottom line is the charts look pretty bullish up there, gapping up above these recent highs that have been moving higher. The stats here looking back have not necessarily shown that it's a bullish scenario historically speaking. So a little bit riskier here in the ES than the others, but this is not showing a bullish edge with the bullish looking price action that we're seeing. So hopefully you found that interesting. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.